Alright, I'm back, man. I hope y'all ain't miss me too much, miss my face and shit like that. But we got another charting session for y'all. The fuck? Oh, whoops. Hold up, let me fix this, man. Chill out. We gonna get it fixed. Don't trip. Don't be worried. Don't be scared. Let me turn my music on, bro. Cause I just want to make it a point. I just been thinking, bro. I just want to make it a point. I want niggas to be able to come back and see all these videos I was making and understand I really am a trader, bro. I showed y'all from the jump. I showed y'all everything. That's the nigga I want to be known as. This the nigga that proved he was a trader. This nigga played music in every video. Hold up, where my shit at? This nigga played music in every goddamn video just to prove that he ain't making no money off of this YouTube shit. Cause he keep getting copyrighted in every goddamn he keep getting copyrighted in every goddamn video and shit. He showed us from the jump when he had a $2,000 account what the fuck he had going on. You feel me? Shit like that. But it's already been a couple minutes and let's just get into this shit, man. So I took a trade today. I really only looked at GU today, bro. Let's just get into what I was looking at. So looking at the weekly, I seen that we was coming down a little bit. This was the last week's candle. Fuck it. I don't even wanna. Damn, should I go over my? Nah, fuck it. But yeah, I seen this was last week's candle. This is really my draw for the week. This area right here. This is my draw for the week, but I don't know if we're gonna hit this week or next week. I do think we're gonna retrace a little bit deeper into this area. We might hit this weekly order block right here. But yeah, I think we retrace a little bit more. It's also this fair value gap right here that I marked in orange, which I don't know if we can see that on the lower time frames. Okay, we can. But yeah, scaling down, I seen we in a downtrend, a small downtrend on the daily. We closed below this daily fair value gap, which is something we don't want to see in the bullish market. Let me stop touching my hair, bro. All right. But yeah, we don't want to see this in the bullish market because why are we closing below this fair value gap? You feel me? And we got a little order block right here. But we respected that order block, as you can see. We did respect this. Regardless, I was thinking we probably gonna come down and see this low this week. But as I scaled down, I was bullish on the day because of this right here. I hope y'all can see shit. Fuck it, I'm just gonna remove all the drawings. So you can see right here, we swept these lows right here, this sell side level on the 4 hour. Big rejections, you can see that by the wicks. This is showing we don't want to go lower. We didn't get displacement through this level. We rejected it. We get these small candles right here, and then we get a push up above this swing high. So I'm like, okay. This candle hadn't formed yet. This candle was still forming today. So this is what I saw going into the day. This is what I seen right here. Boom. So I'm like, okay. I think we're going to go up and take out these relative equal highs right here. Because what do we have to the left of these highs? We got this 4 hour imbalance right here. Boom. And as you can see from this little gap, hold on, let me lock this in too. Because I really want y'all to see this without all this shit going on. There's a tiny little gap between this high and this high, the low of this wick right here. So there's still a small imbalance present in this area. So I'm like, okay, I think we bullish. I think we're going to go up and see these highs today, especially after this sweep. You feel me? That's just how I was feeling. So I guess I don't got to change that right now. I think I'm not even going to, on this charting session, I'm just going to do my trade recap and then I'm probably going to end it because I don't want y'all to have to see these long ass videos all the time. But yeah, and then you see this right here, this candle. This was actually during my session. So let me just take this off for now. But yeah, we see this strong push up on the 1 hour. Again, I'm gonna just show y'all where my shit opened up at. So going into this, it wasn't 8 o'clock yet. This candle hadn't formed. This candle was still forming. This candle wasn't even open yet. But this candle right here was still forming. So I see this 1 hour bullish fair value gap right here. And I start thinking, okay, we just swept these highs as well. Right? I think we're going to retrace back into this 1 hour fair value gap. Now, we're not in equilibrium of this whole range, but we are in equilibrium of this right here. This is a leg up. This ain't really the leg up. Yes, this is the low and this is the high and this is the range. You feel me? After this sweep, this is the low that caused the move up. But I still, when I did my analysis, I used this right here. So I was like, okay, this 1 hour fair value gap is in discount. Well, down here is in discount. But regardless, that's part of the fair value gap. You feel me? Down here is still part of the fair value gap. So I count the whole thing as in discount. So I'm like, okay, cool. Let's scale down a little bit. We didn't really see much on the 15-minute. I'm just showing y'all how I analyzed it. But y'all already seen it in the video, so that's cool too. But we can see we came down. All right, that's near 8 o'clock. But next thing I seen was this. I seen these lows. I saw these lows. I'm gonna try and speak properly like how my parents raised me, but speaking in slang and shit like that is it's like a habit, you know. It's not a good habit, but it is a habit. I'm gonna try and break it. But yeah, I seen this this sell side. This ain't even really sell side, like to be honest. These are just lows. But I see these lows and then I see this 5-minute fair value gap. I'm like, okay, this is the area of interest. I want to see us come down here, sweep these lows, and then start to push back up. Right? So boom, we see this. We see this this candle closed below, and I didn't like how it closed below this level. I wanted to see a wick. But at the same time, we never got displacement down, so it's still valid. Then we see this wick and a smaller body. And then we see this. It came all the way down here to these lows right here. Oh, no, it didn't. Wait, yeah. Yeah, it did. Came all the way down to these lows. The wicks do the damage. The bodies tell the story. So the body came all the way back up and ended up closing up here. So it's like, okay, we probably going to be bullish. Right? I see us to start pushing up. I scale down through the time frames and I end up on the 2-minute. And I see this fair value gap right here. Boom. This 2-minute fair value gap. And I also see this 2-minute order block. I'm just going to put an order block like this. Right? So I also see that 2 minute order block. I'm like, okay, cool. The next thing that I want to see as confirmation, I didn't even mark out London session lows. Actually, yeah, I did. I think they're right here. No, they right here. Wait. Yeah, they right here. Regardless, next thing I wanted to see was my bad. I ain't been playing music recently, so it's kind of distracting me. But it's cool. We gonna stay focused. Hold up. I'm finna just put on my trading playlist. My bad for the interruption. And I'm not gonna edit this out either. Y'all can just skip this part if y'all want. Hold up. My bad. I'm not trying to get copyrighted, so I'm about to move this song completely out the way. Alright, we back, goddammit. Alright, so look. The next thing I wanted to do, next thing I wanted to see the market do for real confirmation, I wanted to see us run through this 5 minute bearish fair value gap. Alright. So I'm just gonna do the replay just so it's not all in the way. I hate all that price action being in the way. So you can see. So you can see we pushed through and we closed up here. And I was watching on the 2 minute. I just wanted to see when it said 825 right here. I wanted us to be above this. Because 825 is when the 5 minute candle closes. So when I see us close above this, I'm like, cool. That's all I fucking needed. Now I want to see us come back down into this order block right here. Possibly tapping in here. But I just wanted to see the order block because that is where equilibrium is. You can see that right there. That's where equilibrium is. So I didn't really care to see the fair value gap. I didn't really care if we hit that or not. But I had my shit set up so my entries right here, my stops right here. And originally, my first target was gonna be in this area. Where did I? Maybe I just marked this whole thing, but it's gonna be in this area. Nah, it wasn't. Nah, not right here. I think it was up here. Where the hell was it? Cause it was a 1 to 2. Hold up. Yeah, I think it was like this area right here, actually. The bottom of that, it's kind of like a breaker. I don't know what the fuck this is. It's like an order block too, but this is what I marked out. So that's a 1 to 2. So this is what I was trying to aim for at first. So boom, I wanted to see us come back down in here and then push up and then hit this area. And then my next TP was right here. Then I had another one in this area. Let me see where exactly. I think it was these highs. I think it was this high specifically. Boom. And then of course, so this was TP2. This was TP3. And this buy side level was TP4. Right. So boom, come down. Back to the 2 minute. What do? We come down. We tap into here. And I actually got filled all the way. I can't remember exactly where it was. But it was somewhere in this fair value gap because we pushed so deep into it. I know exactly how much It was 5 picks. My stop loss was 5 picks. So right there, this is where I got my entry at. And when I seen this, I was like, okay, cool. I don't know what made me do this, but I was like, okay, cool. This right here is now 1 to 2.9. I can target these highs. So I put my first TP right here. So like, okay, I'm gonna put my first TP right there, and then second TP right here, third TP. Everything else was the same, right? So this was my first take profit. I start watching, boom. We came back down again, another rejection. I love to see this. I was like, okay, cool, we good, and we respecting this wick up here. This order block, we completely respected it with the bodies. Look, we did not close in there at all. So I'm like, okay, cool, this is looking good. I was already in though, as y'all know, as I just said. Boom, we start to move up. When I see us push through this right here, this becomes an inverse. So what I did right here, which I probably, in hindsight, I guess you could say I shouldn't have done it because it didn't work out in my favor. But it's all about learning, so I ain't mad about it. Boom, we come back down. Hold up, first off, this 5 minutes don't even matter no more. But we pushed through this, and when we came back down into here, I added half of my original entry position. So I entered with 0.32 lots. So when we came back down into this inverse fair value gap, I added 0.16 lots. I kept my original stop down here because I wasn't too confident in pyramiding yet. And I put my stop from my new position right here, right? So now I got like, what is that? I'm not good at math, bro. Y'all niggas know this shit. Fuck it. I got more positions on here now. So, boom, I'm watching price. At this point, I'm like, okay, my position might get stopped out. I was thinking if we come down and take out this low, then this is gonna get taken too, most likely. But we took this low, and this ended up just being another stop hunt. So I lost $10 right here. On the second entry, I lost $10. Why the fuck did this shit stop, though? Man, this shit is fucking retarded. My bad, I said retarded like 100 times today. And I think that might be offensive to some people. So I hope y'all know I don't mean no offense by that. But I'm not gonna stop saying it just because, well, I guess I could stop saying it. But yeah, this ended up just being a stop hunt. So I lost $10 right here. My pyramid entry, my second position got stopped out. This I kept the same, so my original entry was cool. Boom. This push up was huge. I was like, okay, we finna at least hit this. We're gonna take out these highs for sure. Boom. Boom. So I end up taking off half right here, moving my stop to break even. Know what I'm saying? And now I'm just watching price. And we end up coming down, stopping me out. And we actually were bearish for the rest of the day, bro. We were bearish for the rest of the day. We never came back up to this level at all. We come up and take out these lows down here, I believe. Oh no, we didn't. We just took out these lows. We didn't take out these. Wait, hold up, did we? Yeah, nah. We took out these lows. But yeah, so as you can see, literally my bias was wrong. My bias was completely wrong. I was bullish on the day. I was expecting this level up here, 1.26138. I was expecting that to get hit. And I was thinking, boom, I'm about to catch the whole move. But I was okay with not catching the whole move. I moved my stop to break even after first TP was hit. And I thank God that I got filled down here and I wasn't filled up here. Because I would have left my first TP up here and I would have got stopped out. So I ended up making money even though I was wrong today, bro. Let me take these off, bro. I always forget. I made money even though I was fucking wrong. And it's late as shit, bro. Y'all niggas probably like, why is this nigga up? Cause I got issues, bro. Alright, this only been 20 minutes. But yeah, that was my trade. So I'm not gonna say I should have made $20, but I should have made $20. You feel me? But that second entry that got stopped out, that shit just caused me to lose $10. So I really only made about 8. After commissions, I made 720 today. So I ain't really make shit, but I'm happy with this win. And this taught me a great lesson. Like, you do not have to be right to be profitable, bro. And take partials. Like, I was real confident we was gonna hit this today, but that's very maybe you could say overzealous. You feel me? I don't know if that's the right word, but you asking for a lot right there, bro. Like, you don't need to see this at all. Like, it's not serious. We don't need to see that whole move. But that's really what I was thinking we was gonna hit. And imagine if I would have only targeted this, or if I would have only targeted these highs, cause I'm so confident. Nah, you gotta take your parcels. You gotta take profits where it's the opportunity to. Now, for me, my personal preference, I like 1 to 2s. I need a 1 to 2 before I take any profits. So this was a nice area to take profits because we got relative equal highs right here, a small area of accumulation, a small consolidating area before we push down. So like this is a cooler area, take some profits off, and it's at a 1 to 2.4. So I got two lists checked off. So that's why I moved from right here down to here. Cause if my minimum is a 1 to 2, I might as well look at the first area that's at or above a 1 to 2 that's likely for price to possibly reverse at and then take profits there. You feel me? Just to maximize like my opportunity to win and to profit for the day. Cause the goal is to make money. Well, that's the ultimate goal. The real goal is to build good habits and become a good disciplined trader and take good trades. But that leads to making money. That's the whole reason why we doing this shit is to make money. So even though I was wrong, I still made money, man. And I want to show y'all a reason why I was wrong. Well, a possible reason. So like I said, god damn, man. We looking at the 15-minute time frame right now. And remember I told y'all this is really the accurate way to find equilibrium from this low after the sweep, this low that led to the push up. So the lowest low to the highest high before the retracement. This is where you want to mark it out for real. Alright, look at this shit. This is 15-minute lows right here, right at equilibrium. And hold up. Even if we put it right here, bro, we want to see us come to at least equilibrium, right? Even though this is technically in equilibrium, it's not in equilibrium until down here. So the first sell side level or area of lows, I don't know what else to call it. I'm just gonna call it sell side. The first sell side level that's below this equilibrium mark is right here. And yeah, and we just took buy side up here. So I don't want to say it's likely that we come down here because I really didn't think we would, especially with this right here. I was pretty bullish today, but especially if we bring this down here, it's like, okay, this lines up perfectly. Damn near perfectly. It's like maybe half a pip above that shit. You know what I'm saying? We come down after we sweep this level. We come down and we take it. So now, honestly, I think a lot of the times what happens with me and my analysis is I'll have an analysis. I think this level's gonna get hit, for example, like today. I thought this level was gonna get hit today, and then we do some shit during the day, and it seems like my analysis was completely wrong. But we come down and we do some shit like this, and then the next day or the next 2 or 3 days, we come up here. So during CPI tonight, I mean tomorrow morning, we might see this high, this high, and this high. We might. I don't know what we gonna do, but we got CPI, and then the next day we got PPI and FOMC on the same day, which I've never seen before. Not not to my knowledge. I don't think I've ever seen that. So it's a crazy week, bro. I might not take another trade the whole week, cause then Thursday we got that news day where it be. Let me show y'all real quick. We got this shit right here: core retail sales, and unemployment. So 3 red folders all at 8:30. And every time we get this lineup right here, all at 8:30, bro, the market be moving fucking crazy. And then afterwards, it feels like it just dies. Like it feels like the market moves crazy during 8:30, and then like 5 to 10 minutes after that, and then after that, it's just consolidating the whole time, bro. So I don't really like days like this. And then we got news at 8:30 and 9:45, which is like the worst time for me because if we got news at 8:30, I'm probably gonna wait around 15 minutes to take a trade. And that only gives me an hour before this comes out, and that could fuck up my whole shit. Cause PMI be that should be moving the markets a little bit. So I didn't mean to click that. Um, did that show something crazy? Hold up. I'm finna just check, make sure I don't gotta edit this video at all. Trade ID, size, ticket, instrument, daytime, balance, equity, use margin, user. Okay, so it says my trade ID, but that don't matter if you don't got my password right. Yeah, I don't think there's literally anything for y'all to see on here. But yeah, with that, I guess I'm just gonna end this video. To be honest, bro, I'm gonna go ahead and look at what the markets did on UJ, GJ, and gold. Probably gonna watch London session, go to the gym at 4 a.m. and then go straight to work. Cause I told him I could come in early because of PPI. So it's gonna be a long day tomorrow, sadly. Working all goddamn day. I don't think I'm going in early on Friday though, but it is Christmas and I'm trying to get paid so I can get my family some gifts. And I'm trying to pay off my student loans, bro. I just put 2,000 down today actually. So I'm trying to get that shit paid off. I said I was gonna stop touching my hair. Hopefully I can get paid. I can get that shit paid off by like February. That's pretty reasonable in my opinion. But it's like 5,500, 6,000. It's not too bad. I only went for it for a year, so. But yeah, that really wraps up this goddamn charting session. I think I'm finna look at London session now, and I might take some demo trades or maybe like a .01 lot. You feel me? Risk $1 or some shit. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later.